Guys, today we are discussing about how to create Docker Compose file and how to build the simple application. The very simple application. I will do the simple for you guys today. First of all, we'll go through the Docker service EC2 instance. Click on public IP and copy on it, and go to search bar, search for putty tool. Click enter, paste the IP address, and click on SSH plus button, and within the SSH there is auth file. Click on auth and select browse, and the key pair we want to give the key pair, and after that I will change for settings for you. The putty tool settings, if I get larger than previous sessions, I will take some 18, and click on OK, open. Okay, Ubuntu, enter. I'm already everything I have already written, because of it will be take some time, that 1 to 1.5 hour time. You don't have that much patience, I guess. That's why I'm earlier created the documentation, and what are the requirements we want. I will create all the requirements. I will see you. If you want to write a particular same application on your end, pause my video and write it down. Okay, simply I will go through the root user sudo su hyphen and ls hyphen al. What are the directories are there, and this is the directory, guys. We are discussing today composetest, docker composetest. Okay, you can create one folder mkdir to create directory, and after that composetest, and click enter. I have already existing file. You can create mkdir composetest file, and after that change directory to composetest test. Okay, after that you can search ls. What are the files are there? If you can see, right, there is a one docker file, and one app.py file, and one docker compose.yaml file, and one requirements file. Earlier I am created these 4 things. I will simply edit the documents and view. If you want to run same particular application, pause this video and download it, and write it to your end. So first of all, I will create some app.py, that is a Python documentation. Actually, Python binaries. We will take some Python. If you can see, right, while I enter cat space app.py, the documentation whatever I will write, I was write earlier. You can see import time. We will import the time, and import also redis. From Flask, import Flask, and app equal to Flask name, cache. What are the requirements? This is all developer side end. We don't take it much. If you want to write, please copy this one and paste it to your end. That's it, guys. And okay, after that we want to write some requirements file, cat requirements.txt. You can see, right, you can take requirements Flask, first Flask, and second one is Redis. That's it. And after that we will create some Docker file, cat Docker file. I'm already created, guys. If you want to create, you can create using vim command, vim space docker file dot txt. You don't have txt, okay, that's it, only docker file, that's it. If you enter this command and click enter, you will get one simple like this type of window, and simply you can copy paste this much, this one, that's it. Sorry for the interference, guys. And after that if you can see, right, there is a Docker file. I will discuss another video how to create Docker file and what are the requirements and all. I will create another video. You can simply copy this content, and paste it to your end. That's it for this video. And after that we will see some Docker compose, cat docker compose .aml. If you can see, right, our today discussion is about Docker compose. You can take the version 3.9 version, and after that we will services, web. Under web we will have build all, and ports we have 8000 and 5000. In Redis we have image Redis Alpine, and you can take this file using, I will show you one document for you guys how to create simple way. If you can see, right, you can go to the Docker documentation, and you can click Docker compose and search bar and click on enter. If you can see, right, there is a Docker file, Docker compose, and take another one documentation, Docker compose. Try Docker compose, click on this one. Yeah, you can simply create one using mkdir command, compose.test, and change directory composetest, and after that create one file app.py, and using vim space app.py, and you can get some this type of window, only a blank window. You can copy this content, this whole content, you can copy this whole content, and using this you can simply click on this, you can copy the one, and after that you can simply paste the this content to your end, and after that create some requirements.txt using vim space requirements.txt, and you can get some blank file. You can paste this one, copy it and paste and save. After that create one docker file using vim space docker file, d must be capital, and after that simply paste this much into your end and save. After that you can simply create this file vim space docker compose.yaml, and can get one blank file. You can copy this one and paste it to your end, and after that if you can see right docker compose file, we will add some ports. This is the container port and this is the host port we will adding, and after that we will add some image redis alpine. We will using image called redis alpine. If you can see right in the docker file, we will take from python 3.7 alpine and work direct this one, and we'll take cache copy. We will copy the requirements.txt to requirement-txt, and pip install -r requirement.txt. This is all about python documentation. We don't have knowledge on about it. I can simply go through this one, and after the created all the files, you can enter docker compose up. That's it guys. You can get on simple window like that. We will take some public IP address is to the port number. We will take some 8000, right, the container port. If you can see right, there is this is the one 8000. After giving public IP is to, we will give some ports 8000. we will get our application. I will see you in real time. So yeah, we have all the files, the docker file, app.py, docker compose.yaml, and requirements, all I am creating. After that the simple command is docker compose up. That's it. You can see right, simply running in all address, running up HTTP. This is the host port guys, this is the internal IP, and this is public, sorry, this is the private IP of the host machine. If you can see, you need to go through the new window. After that you can take the public IP of the machine and paste it to and colon 8000. Simply click on enter, you will get this one. You can see right, hello world, I have seen 30 times. Actually I'm already earlier created, right, that's why it is showing like this. If you can click on first time, there is only one time. Yeah, if you click on refresh, I will click on refresh 3 times. If you can see right, the scene time is 34 times, and again refresh 35, and again refresh 36. Yeah, this is the simple application we did with Docker Compose. If you want to stop it, the running container, you can see, right, there is a control C to quit the file. Type control C, and if you can see, right, running container composetest web stopping, it will take 10 seconds, I guess. Yes, and after that the redis is stopped in some 0.3 seconds, milliseconds, I guess. Yeah, if you can now, if you can refresh your window, there is no application running on the 8000 port. You can get this type of window, the port refused to connect. If you again run your Docker Compose, that application, give Docker Compose up, that's it. This is for development environment, guys. This is not for production. Every time you need to check some codes, right, in real time, as a Devops engineer or a cloud engineer or anything. Most of the time DevOps engineers do these type of jobs. Sometimes, maybe depending on your organization, you may get something like that. This is the, guys. Okay, this is for today, guys. If you have any doubts in this scenario, if you can simply comment in my chat box, and if you like the video, please subscribe and share your colleagues, and like the video. Thank you so much.